Have you ever felt this frustration? You understand English. You know the words. You know the grammar. But when native speakers talk, boom, it feels like a speed train. You think, why do they speak so fast? Will I ever sound natural? Why do I sound slow even when I know what to say? If this sounds like you, this lesson will change everything. Today, I'm not teaching vocabulary. I'm not teaching grammar. I'm teaching you how real English actually sounds when spoken fast. Native speakers don't speak fast because they're smart. They speak fast because they reduce, connect, and cut sounds. And today, I'll show you 7 powerful fluency rules that instantly make your English sound natural, confident, and fast. At the end, you'll face a speed challenge sentence that will test your real fluency. So take a deep breath, relax your mouth, and let's unlock fast English mode. Tip 1. Contract to connect, the fluency shortcut. Native speakers hate long sentences. They don't say, I would like to go. They say, I'd like to go. Why? Because contractions save energy. Let's look at a few examples. I am I'm. You are your. He is he's. They have they've. I would I'd. Now listen carefully. I would like to go. I'd like to go. Do you hear the speed difference? That word would disappears. Only a soft D sound survives. This is not lazy English. This is smart English. If you don't use contractions, your English will always sound robotic, slow, unnatural. So rule number 1 is simple. If there's a contraction, use it. Tip 2, the big 4, gonna, wanna, gotta, have to. This rule alone can double your speaking speed. Native speakers constantly reduce these verbs. Keycap 1, going to gonna. I'm going to learn English. I'm going to learn English. Keycap 2, wanna. I want to improve fluency. I want to improve fluency. Keycap 3, have got to gotta. I have got to practice daily. I gotta practice daily. Keycap 4, have to. I have to focus more. I have to focus more. Notice something important? The word to becomes a soft sound. Native speakers don't say too. They say ta/a. Say it with me, fast, no thinking. I'm gonna speak better. I wanna sound natural. I gotta stop translating. I have to practice daily. Excellent. Your mouth is learning speed. Tip 3. Questions get lazy, and that's good. Native speakers destroy grammar in questions. Why? Because speed matters more than perfection. Let's take this sentence. What are you doing? Now listen to real English. Whatcha doing? What happened? R disappeared. You became cha. Doing lost the G. This is not wrong. This is spoken English. More examples. What do you want? Whatcha want? What are you talking about? Whatcha talking about? If you say, what are you doing? You sound polite. But if you say, whatcha doing? You sound native. Tip 4. Connect or die. Link your words. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They glue words together. Example. I found a blue and white car. Spoken fast. I found a blue and white car. What happened? Found. D disappears. And D disappears. Car, silent D shape. Your tongue moves, but the sound doesn't come out. This is advanced fluency. Say it slowly first. I found a blue and white car. Now faster. I found a blue and white car. Perfect. Tip 5. Stop pronouncing every letter. English is not phonetic. Native speakers skip sounds, especially final sounds. Examples. Next, just, right, best. Why? Because stopping your mouth fully slows you down. Fast English flows. It doesn't stop. Tip 6. Pronouns get invisible. This rule is advanced but powerful. Native speakers often drop H sounds in pronouns. Listen. Him, his, yeah. Him. Examples. I think he's right. I think he's right. It's his turn. It's his turn. It's her turn. It's her turn. I listen to them. I listen to him. This happens in casual, daily conversation. You don't need to force it. But you must understand it, because natives use it all the time. Tip 7. American T flip. T becomes D. This rule is pure American English. When T is between two vowels, it becomes a soft D. Examples. Better, better. Water, water. City, city. Little, little. You don't hear a T. You hear a quick D tap. That's why Americans sound smooth. Final speed challenge, Fluent Avenue X test. Ready? Say this as fast as you can. I'm gonna eat his food, and it'll taste great. Slow first. Now faster. Now natural. That's fast English. Fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about flow. Stop trying to pronounce everything. Start sounding natural. If this lesson helped you, comment one sentence using a fast English rule. And remember, slow English is learned. Fast English is trained. This is Fluent Avenue X, where English becomes automatic. See you in the next lesson.